guys, it's Lily back in the YouTube video, and today we're doing the Takis challenge. And I'm not going to explain what's for at the end, so let's get to it. So our ingredients is Takis in a bowl, water. So we're going to be like, oh, you can't drink water, it's a no water challenge. And here's my water.
Here's my water.
And I have a special guest here with me today. What's your name?
Amelia.
Amelia. And today we're going to be doing the gummy worms.
Heck no.
And Takis challenge.
Heck
so,
no. I hate them.
We already put, well, you got to eat them, Takis. So we already put Takis on.
Guys, hey guys, why look like this?
I don't know. She said, why does the Takis look so red? But I don't know.
Oh, Jesus.
Okay, so it smells so good. Okay, but I'm going to get the rest of the gummy worms.
I love my gummy bear.
Gummy bear. Oh, I'm a yummy, looking gummy bear. Oh, yeah.
A gummy worm, a gummy bear. Yes, a gummy bear is a turkey.
Oh, you can't say it on the camera. I will get kicked out.
Shut up. What the?
Okay. So, here's my plate. Show them your plate. She said she don't like gummy worms, so I only gave her a little bit. So, let's go. You might get that. Go. You can't eat the gummy worms yet. You gotta eat the Takis. Go.
Dang.
I didn't drink it.
I ate some more.
Uh-huh. You want some water? No.
Huh? Don't do that. We go eat first. Under there.
This is spicy.
No, not spicy. That's really, really super
I can
hot.
taste the lime.
Fire is hot. And fire burns.
Eat the big one first.
I got big one.
No, that one. Eat the big one.
Wow, I got big one like a fat boy.
Eat the big ones and then
And I got juice.
you can't drink it.
It's nasty.
No, you can't drink it or you lose. Eat the big ones first. I just gave her an idea. Eat the big ones and then eat the skinny ones because the skinny ones not that hot.
This one?
I ain't got no more skinny ones.
You know
I'm a beast.
I like this one.
Hurry up. Eat the Takis.
Why my gummy worm look like my heart? I said.
And we just went to the store and got them. We just walked to the corner store and got them.
And we got munchkin over there. That called me shut up. Shut up for it, be quiet.
She is.
She bad.
She's gonna lose.
She gonna lose. Munchkin.
Yum, 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 yum.
She. Okay, you lose.
I didn't drink it. I said, yum, 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 yum. Drink some water. If you drink it, you lose.
No, I want to say something. This said.
Come on, hurry up, because I'm winning. I'm just going to let her catch up. Come on, catch up. You got to do 1, 2,
I'm going to
3,
eat all. Look, I'm going to eat all.
What the girl just went off. You got to get 1, 2, 3, 4. You got to get 11 more. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, you're gonna lose. and then you will be caught up. Eat all that.
I hate this one.
But you gotta eat this one because I just ate one. You gotta eat those.
I hate this bed.
Eat them. Hurry up. Stop them in your mouth like Eat the crumb. Okay, ready? You gotta eat this. Ready, set, go. Hurry up and fill so we can eat some gummy worms. Just eat that. I'm about to win anyway.
No.
You keep stopping. Okay, you gonna win. You gonna win. Hurry up. They're good.
Hot.
Eat some gummy worms.
That's not gummy worm. That's a gummy bear.
Gummy worms.
Gummy bear.
Guys, she said this is a gummy bear. Is this a gummy bear?
That's a gummy bear.
She said it's a gummy bear.
I said gummy worm. This orange. I don't want it, but I love it. Oh my god, why I got crackers? That's it in me.
Look how much I got left.
So, where's your go big win? Oh my goodness.
You gotta lick the plate too.
Wow, you say.
I only got one more left.
I hate you, Teresa. I will tell. I tell.
You gotta lick your fingers too.
My finger's red. Look like a firework.
Okay, I'm on my gummies. Stop, you make the chemical.
Mine look like this. Ain't got gummy worms down my hot. I eat no.
We should have bought some hot gummy worms.
No! Wait, you could look like this and eat it and go get nasty. But it looks like nasty. Tastes like monkey rag.
I'm winning.
I don't care.
You got $75.
Look, guys, I put gummy worms on my hot. Like this.
Guys.
Describe the channel.
I win and you put me my $5.
I don't care. I don't care. I want because I'm gonna eat my gummy bears and my chips. I study my gummy bears.
You gotta eat your chips too.
Why? You should hear Grandma did it.
And guys, I'm sorry if we show short because we don't know where our big chairs went. We don't know where our big chairs went, so we just grabbed this little chair.
And make a big chair like this. Like this.
The big chairs was like this tall. This chair is like this tall, this short.
So why is it short like that? Look at God. Look at my cup. Look at my cup.
I want to like 2 more to go.
Please, don't. Delete. Oh my God. No, guys.
Eat it.
Guys, Risha, I don't like her.
I won.
Oh my god.
I won.
Not funny. I like it. Mine looks like ugly. She ugly, right? She ugly.
You ugly.
You ugly. You ugly. You're my daddy's child.
I won.
I don't care.
I can drink water. You can't.
Ah, you tricked me.
You want
Musket eat gummy around his toy. What do you eat him? Musket eat gum. I know he got in his hand.
I can eat this, guys. She can't eat hers. I'm gonna go to the closet so when you eat that. Yes.
No! You see my face? Guys, why my cup like that? Like that? It's like a cup.
Wait, guys. Come down below. No, I'll be right back.
No, close the door.
We're getting a hot stuff.
Heck no!
Heck yeah. Guys, comment down below if she drank her water. Comment down below if she drank her water. Comment down below if this little girl drank her water. Comment down below if this little girl
We
drank
gotta
her water.
No, we go. I'm not drinking water.
I'm gonna watch the video and see if she really drank her water. This is the last pop. I'm a broken one. So since I won, I get the last pop star.
Shut up.
Okay, that's it for this video. What do you have to say to the camera? Like it, girl. I'm on the count of three. On the count of three, there's anything like this. Go, go. 1, 2, 3. Like and subscribe. Make sure you guys like and subscribe in the comments down below. If you guys want to get JoJo C1 phone number, no, Carly B's phone number, because we texted her, we called her, and it actually worked. So go down in the description down below, and you will see Carly B's phone number. Like and subscribe.